Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I want to do today is show you all how to quickly and easily create short-term home rental pro forma financial projections using my short-term home rental business plan template. So the way this video is going to work out is, first and foremost, I'm going to go ahead and give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point in time, I'm then going to walk you all through my short-term home rental financial model that will help you create your pro forma financial projections for your next 12 months, as well as your pro forma income statement projections for the next 5 years. All right, so let's go ahead and zip through this little handy dandy PowerPoint presentation. So first, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, owner of Quality Business Plan. I am an MBA as well as a doctoral candidate. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I would be delighted to write your business plan for you. So I do offer custom business plan writing services. My contact information is right here. I am also a business mentor. So if you need some assistance, some professional guidance for starting or growing your business, I do offer mentoring services. And then finally, if your business plan is all set, ready to go, but those financial projections are giving you some problems, I do offer financial projection consulting, and I do offer to create your financial projections for you. Just let me know. Further, I am also a published author on Amazon.com, specifically for business plan books. So if you want some reading material, check me out on Amazon. And then finally, I'm an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So I do have a little education backing up my thoughts and ideas for my business consulting, business mentoring, business plan writing, financial projections, all that good stuff. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and introduce y'all to the star of the show, which is my financial model that is customized for the home rental business, industry. So if you are interested in buying my template for the home rental business plan template, it does come with a Word document, and the Word document would be right here. So here is my Word document. Say hello, Word document. So it does come with the Word document. The tutorial for the Word document is in a separate video. This video, what we're doing is we're focused on the financial model. And so for the financial model that's included in my business plan template, it comes with 4 tabs. Your information page comes with your projection summary, all the summary of your financials. Your profit and loss statement broken up quarterly for the next 12 months. And also your income statement that is for the next 5 years. And this is your income statement. All right, so any changes made to the information page will automatically update your projection tab, your profit and loss for the first year, as well as your income statement. And for this tab, I do again break it into sections as well, which is going to be your daily sales, your labor, your startup cost, your monthly fixed cost, your growth rates, and then also your loan information. And so let's make this a little bit bigger so it's a little bit easier to read. All right, so for the first section is going to be your daily revenues, and anywhere you see the darker colored cells are the changes you're going to want to make. So it starts with average room rental. So if you're renting a house, you'd want to change it from room rental to house rental. And then the number here means is how many houses or how many rooms are you renting out on a daily basis. For this example, I'm saying we're renting out 4 rooms. Each room is rented out for $205, or it could be 4 houses we're renting out daily at $205 a night. And our variable cost is 20%. Variable costs are usually going to cover maintenance and any kind of cleaning fees. Next is going to be how many days are you going to be on operations. Typically, if you're renting your house or you're renting rooms, you're going to be renting those 7 days a week. So you'd put 7. If it's going to be 6 days a week, then you put 6. But this is the information you're going to change right here. In the labor is the next section. For labor, under salary, that's how much you want to pay yourself. So if you want your salary to be $3,000 a month, put $3,000. If you want it to be $2,500 a month, put $2,500. And then employees. If you're going to have an employee, however many employees you're going to have, put the number here. Whatever the rate of pay would be here. And then 186 represents a 40-hour work week for your employee. If it's going to be part-time, then just reduce this number accordingly. Just make sure it's the hours are monthly. Next section is going to be startup costs. First two lines are static. You can't change the titles here, but you can definitely change the dollar amounts. And this is going to be your investments. So how much are you dropping out of your pocket for equity investment? And then if you're going to have a loan, how much is your loan going to be? You're going to put it right there. Now, once you put the loan information here, for in this example, we're saying you're taking out a loan of $150,000 and you're doing an equity investment of $50,000. This loan information is going to automatically populate down here under your loan information. And then all you have to do is change your interest rate and change the term of your loan. And then your payments will automatically be calculated. Not only will they be calculated, but they will also populate into the projections, your profit and loss statement, and your income statement as well. All right, next section is going to be, so once we have our equity and our debt investment taken care of, for example, again, $50,000 equity investment, $150,000 loan. So we've got a total investment of $200,000. The next part under the startup cost is how you're going to allocate those funds. You've got $200,000 you're investing into the game. Where is that money going? And that's where this information is right here. So you're going to go ahead and describe whether it be inventory, supplies, advertising, purchase, and build out, working capital, whatever it's going to be. Go ahead and put that information right here. And again, just remember, these three lines cannot be changed. It needs to stay build out, working capital, miscellaneous equipment. All these other titles can change, and then all these dollar amounts here can change as well. The next section is going to be your monthly fixed cost section. And how much your utilities going to cost you, office expenses, insurance, accounting, legal, advertising, and then other. Whatever those costs are going to be, you're going to want to update that information right here. Next section is going to be your tax rate, how much you think you're going to be paying in taxes, to make that change right here. And these are your growth rates for the next 5 years. The first 5 is going to be your revenues growth, and the next is going to be your average cost growth for your various costs. All right, once you update this information, then that will automatically, again, populate into your projections tab, your profit and loss tab, and your income statement tab. And the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and replace the financial projections that are in the template with your updated information. And the way to do that, for example, is going to be to copy. Let's make this a little bit bigger again. So you're going to want to go ahead and copy your income statement, hit Control-C. Then you're going to want to zip on over to your Word document and you're going to want to go all the way down to where it says Pro Forma Income Statement. You're going to want to delete the placeholder and hit Control-V. And when you do that, all your new information will now be updated into your Word document portion of your business plan. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up, sum it up. So in summary, if you are interested in buying my short-term home rental business plan template, it does come with a Word document, and the Word document is where the business plan, the actual business plan is, and I cover that in a separate tutorial. It also comes with the basic financial model, which we just covered. There are some limitations to my short-term home rental business plan template. First, it is not compatible with Google Docs, and it's also not compatible with the Google Pages and Google Sheets. So just keep that in mind. If you have a Mac but you have Microsoft 365 on it, you should be good to go. But if you're trying to use Apple products, Apple Pages, or anything like that, that's not going to be compatible. Next, if you have questions, if you want to give me a call and say, hey, Paul, I want to talk about your short-term home rental business plan template, I'd be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Send me a text, send me an email, give me a call. Whatever works for you, be delighted to talk about my short-term home rental business plan template. However, if you do have questions after you buy the template, I would refer you to my business plan tutorials. You can go ahead and go to this link right here. And you can view my business plan tutorials before you buy, after you buy the template, or even during while you're buying the template. It's up to you. Those tutorials are free, and you can access them by going to this website right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with a business plan template, you just want somebody to write the darn business plan for you, I do offer custom business plan writing services. I offer mentoring services. I also offer financial projection services and strategic planning services. Any of those services, just check out my link right here. And you'll be able to see the prices for my various services. And then finally, if you do want to buy the short-term home rental business plan template, I'll just visit this link right here. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.